incoming raw feed is processed into coarse or fine aggregate products. The blade mill discharge flows directly onto a sizing screen to be rinsed and separated into coarse aggregate products. The fine aggregate passing through the bottom deck of the sizing screen gravity flows to an AZFAB durability module consisting of AZFAB Supercutter Cyclones and an AZFAB twin shaft durability cell for additional scrubbing. Fine aggregate flows from the durability cell into an AZFAB dewatering module, where fresh water is added to rinse the scrubbed sand. The rinsed sand then passes through a second set of cyclones to remove liberated contaminants. The cyclone underflow discharge passes over the AZFAB dewatering screen, where the majority of the remaining water is removed and the sand is conveyed to a stacking system as a finished product. Effluent water from the AZFAB cyclone overflows directly to the 60-foot AZFAB high-rate thickener tank. Polymers are added to the effluent to coagulate incoming mud. The mud settles to the bottom of the AZFAB thickener, and the clarified water overflows the weirs to the AZFAB clean water storage tank. The water from the AZFAB clean water tank is pumped back to the plant as reclaimed process water. The thick underflow mud from the AZFAB thickener is pumped to a storage homogenizing tank for processing through the AZFAB plate frame press. The pump forces mud into the press at an increasing pressure, forcing the water to pass through the mud cakes and filter media. Clear water discharging from the press gravity flows back to the thickener. The compressed mud cakes are discharged from the bottom of the press, which can be hauled away or used for reclamation.
When we designed this plant, we wanted to make a 600 ton an hour wash plant for finished aggregates for concrete customers. AZFAB has got probably the best support of anybody that I've dealt with over the years I've been in the business, and they know their product, they learn your material, and they're able to get to the bottom of any issues that you run across. It's very, very efficient, it's well constructed, and the uptime on it is very good, and it makes quality products for us as it was designed, which anybody that's had the joy of being involved in a project knows that sometimes you design it and you build it, and at the end of the day you don't get what you want. And my confidence level is very, very high that if you deal with AZFAB on these products and you get these things put together, that you end up with exactly what you wanted and exactly what you paid for. So that always brings a certain amount of satisfaction at the end of the day.